Hi, I just wanted to say a massive thank you to Ben Hemp from Genie, who helped me with a problem I had with my phone yesterday. So I went along to his technology drop-in at the old Copper Kettle in Crowland, who also do very nice coffee and cake, by the way. And he was really helpful and sorted out my problem. I needed to source another little dongle thing, and he could have done that and charged me a huge markup, but he didn't. It's just a mark of how trustworthy he is that he told me I could buy it off the internet for about £5. He showed me what I needed and where to buy it from, and gave me lots of advice about upgrading my phone. So thank you very much, Ben Hemp from Genie. Very grateful, and when I do have a problem with my PC or phone in the future, of course I will be coming back to you again. Thanks a lot. Bye.